Welcome back to the shop. We're going to title this one, The Basic Tools I Would Buy If You're Brand New to 3D Printing. We'll start out from the first. A nice square. If you've got a Cartesian printer, even a Delta printer, these right here are very cheap. I think I paid about $2 for this locally. You'll be able to square the machine up. Squaring the machine up means more than everything. You hear the word leveling, it has nothing to do with a level. Tramming is the word you want. And this right here will get you everything you need. Alright, when it comes to removing a print, if you're going to use BuildTak, that's fine. I use glass. I like it a lot better. These that come with the printers, yeah, take that, throw that away. You don't want that. Trust me when I say you will get a nice injury on your fingers, your thumb, your palm, whatever. You do not want those at all. These are really nice if you use BuildTak. It's their official little BuildTak spatula. It allows you to get it under. It's got a nice smoothed out edge that's still not sharp, but it's good enough to get under the print. It's absolutely a wonderful one for BuildTak. Even with glass, I try to pry stuff off if I have to. Don't really have to do that as much anymore. You want a nice metric straight ruler. Not inch, metric. I know if you're in the United States, get used to it. You're going to need metric if you're going to use a printer. Alright, get you a nice set of calipers. Don't have to be expensive. These were only about 20 bucks. You know, they'll do. They're accurate enough to do what we're doing. If you need more than that, then buy the expensive set. But I use these every single day. They work great. You need it to measure the filament. You need it to design parts. You need it to adjust parts. You need it to adjust the printer. It's a needed little tool. Get it. Get used to using it. All right. Now we get to cleaning up parts. You need this. It don't even have to be an expensive set of blades. Just get a set of Exacto Blades. Be very careful with them. Great for cleaning up edges, getting out supports, whatever. These come from Harbor Freight. I got these for free. I love these. I've got 2 or 3 sets of them everywhere. These cut filament like you would not believe, or filament bags. You can get a coupon for free for these for Harbor Freight. So do not overspend. Just like you can get a coupon for free for one of these brushes from Harbor Freight. You need this to clean off the nozzle. Trust me, the outside of the nozzle will get residue. You want this to clean, otherwise your filament will come up and hit the nozzle and stick to the nozzle. Alright, for working on the printer, you want a nice set of Allen screwdrivers. Allen wrenches like this, or the ones that come with the machine, are okay. You start getting into some of the tight areas, trust me, you'll hate these. This set right here has a wonderful selection, and it actually fits more than any of the regular Allen key sets I've ever owned. These little angle needle nose allow you to get inside of parts and pull the support structures out. Okay, you want the spring-loaded ones, trust me on this. Otherwise, you're taking your fingers every few seconds and opening them up. This makes life so much easier. Be able to get in, pry a piece out, snap a piece off. That angle makes a big difference. And you want these to be absolutely tight on the end. If they're not, grind them off smooth. Longer needle nose of the same thing. Absolutely great to reach into a tight area, yank a piece of support out. These come with most printers. If they do not, get a pair. Get this brand, trust me. I've tried all sorts of ones. These work absolutely great to get in and clean off little support structures, cut off pieces, even cutting filament. This will work in a pinch. These fit great in your hands. They spring real good. They're nice and sharp. They're not overly sized. Matter of fact, I even use these to remove a lot of supports. Just being able to get a hold of them and twist them and pop it out of there. Just because they work so good as a flush cut. Alright, a file. You can get a single file, a small file like that. or for pretty cheap, you can get a whole set. They work really good. You're going to need them to clean off edges, clean out holes, put screws through, whatever. You're going to need some of those, so get used to getting them. This little part right here is something I discovered a few months ago. This little tool. It looks like a knife blade. It's shaped like a knife blade, but it's not really sharp like a knife blade. But it allows you to get in under some support structures and pop them off. And this Pry Tool allows you to get in under. This thing, it looks simple. It works great. Just be careful with the little pointed edge with it. But it works great. Now this is a deburring tool. This is one of the latest discoveries of 3D printing in the last few months. This is a very old tool used for deburring metal. But you run this down the edge of a part. Once you get the feel for how it works, you get an elephant footing or a little bit of residue, it will clean that to a very smooth, sharp edge. Absolutely beautiful. This is what I would call the basic tool set. If you have this, this covers 99% of the stuff you'll ever need to do on a 3D printer, including slight design work. This calibration, cleanup, part removal, don't use the other one, filament setup, filament cleaning, more part removal and cleanup, and maintenance work. Everything here will cover 90% of the stuff you need to do. If you would like to buy any of these, you can find most of this, like this, at a local Harbor Freight, like that, like this. This you could get like a Walmart or a home supply store. Everything else, and all of it that I can find, I'll leave a link to the description of where I ordered like this, and so on, and this one, and including this. So if you need help finding it, let me know. I can find alternative sources if need be. I'm pretty good at finding parts. Follow my links below. Follow my referral link below. I really help the support to the channel. I really love it. I answer every comment that I can. I love the interaction. Like on the video if you want to. Not required. I don't beg for likes like some people do. Subscribe if you want to. I love to see the subscribers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.